Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of coin collecting. Today we're going to take a closer look at these Roosevelt dime, specifically the top 5 most valuable coins in today's market. These dimes hold not only historical significance, but also substantial value for collectors and investors alike. So, let's dive in. First up, the Roosevelt 1 dime from 1975, specifically the version without a mint mark and graded in fine condition. Despite being relatively common, the Roosevelt 1 dime from 1975 without a mint mark can still hold significant value, especially in fine condition. While the exact value can vary based on factors such as rarity, demand, and condition, a coin like this could fetch anywhere from $89,500 in today's market. Several factors influence the value of a coin like this. Rarity is a major factor, with coins minted in lower quantities typically fetching higher prices. Demand from collectors also plays a role, as some coins are more sought after than others. Condition is another critical factor, with coins in better condition generally commanding higher prices. Explaining the value of a coin like the Roosevelt 1 dime 1975 without a mint mark in fine condition can be done by highlighting its historical significance, the intricacies of its design, and its rarity. You can also discuss the impact of condition on value, showcasing how even small differences in wear and tear can affect the coin's worth. In conclusion, the Roosevelt 1 dime 1975 without a mint mark in fine condition is a coin that holds both historical and monetary value. Its value in today's market reflects its rarity and condition, making it a fascinating piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Next up, we're taking a closer look at a numismatic treasure, the Lincoln 1 cent 1974, with a large date and D mint mark. Graded as very fine, this coin, though small in size, carries a rich history and value that collectors cherish. The Lincoln 1 cent, first minted in 1909 to honor Abraham Lincoln's 100th birthday, has become an iconic coin in American numismatics. The 1974 coin, struck at the Denver Mint, is distinguished by its large date variety, which is sought after by collectors for its distinctiveness and scarcity. The coin features Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse, a design that was introduced in 1959 to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Lincoln's birth. The value of a Lincoln 1 cent 1974 with a large date and D mint mark in very fine condition can vary based on factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand. In today's market, this coin can fetch a price ranging from $400,000 depending on its condition and the current demand among collectors. The value of a coin like this can be affected by several factors, including its condition, rarity, and historical significance. These coins with D mint mark from the Denver Mint are generally less common than those from other mints, adding to their collectability. The condition of a coin is crucial in determining its value. Coins are graded on a scale from poor to mint state, with very fine falling in the middle. A very fine coin will have moderate wear on the highest points of the design, but overall it will retain much of its original detail and luster. In conclusion, the Lincoln 1 cent 1974 with a large date and a D mint mark in very fine condition is a valuable and collectible coin with a rich history and significance. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this coin is a piece of history that deserves a place in any collection. Next up, the Roosevelt 1 dime from 1991, specifically the coin with D mint mark, and discuss its value in today's market. The Roosevelt dime was first minted in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, who passed away in 1945. The 1991 Roosevelt dime with a D mint mark was minted at the Denver Mint, which is represented by the D mint mark on the coin. This dime features a portrait of President Roosevelt on the obverse and a torch, an olive branch, and an oak branch on the reverse. In fine condition, the 1991 Roosevelt dime with D mint mark is valued at around $300,000. Fine condition indicates that the coin has moderate wear but still retains most of its original detail. Factors such as scarcity, condition, and demand from collectors can influence the value of this coin. The value of the Roosevelt 1 dime 1991 with D mint mark can vary based on several factors. The condition of the coin plays a significant role, with coins in better condition generally commanding higher prices. Additionally, the rarity of the coin can affect its value, with certain mint marks or error coins being more sought after by collectors. It's important to stay informed about current market trends when collecting coins. The value of coins can fluctuate based on factors such as changes in demand, the economy, and the overall interest in coin collecting. Keeping up with these trends can help you make informed decisions about buying, selling, or trading coins in your collection. In conclusion, the Roosevelt 1 dime 1991 with D mint mark is a valuable and sought-after coin among collectors. Its value can vary based on factors such as condition, rarity, and market trends. If you're lucky enough to have one of these coins in your collection, be sure to take care of it and consider consulting with a coin expert to learn more about its value and history. Next up, the Washington quarter dollar 1993 with a large date and D mint mark. In extra fine condition, this coin is a fascinating piece of American history and will explore its value in today's market. The Washington quarter dollar 1993 was minted during a time of economic prosperity in the United States. The large date variety, denoted by a noticeable spacing between the 9 and the 3 in the date, is particularly sought after by collectors. The value of the Washington quarter dollar 1993 large date with D mint mark in extra fine condition can vary based on its rarity, condition, and demand. In today's market, this coin is valued at around $300,000, but prices can fluctuate based on the overall condition of the coin and the current market trends. Several factors can affect the value of this coin. These include its overall condition, the presence of any scratches or blemishes, and the number of coins available in the market. Coins in better condition generally command higher prices. To determine the condition of your Washington quarter dollar 1993, you can use a grading scale such as the Sheldon scale, which ranges from poor to mint state. Look for signs of wear, scratches, and other imperfections to assess its condition accurately. In conclusion, the Washington quarter dollar 1993 with a large date and D mint mark in extra fine condition is a valuable and sought-after coin among collectors. Its value can vary based on several factors, but it remains a prized piece for those interested in American numismatics. If you have this coin in your collection, be sure to take good care of it to preserve its value for years to come. Next up, the Roosevelt dime 1980 large date with D mint mark in good condition. The Roosevelt dime was first minted in 1946 to honor the late President Franklin D. Roosevelt, and it has become a popular collectible due to its historical significance and unique design. The 1980 large date with D mint mark is particularly sought after by collectors. In today's market, the value of the Roosevelt dime 1980 large date with D mint mark in good condition can vary depending on its condition and rarity. As of 2024, the coin is valued at around $250,500. To explain this value to our viewers, let's break it down. The value of a coin is influenced by several factors, including its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. Coins in good condition are generally more valuable than those in poor condition, as they are more appealing to collectors. When determining the condition of a coin, collectors use a grading scale ranging from poor to mint state. Coins in good condition typically fall into the fine to very fine range, showing some wear but still retaining most of their original detail. The D mint mark indicates that the coin was minted at the Denver Mint. Mint marks can also affect a coin's value, as coins minted at certain locations may be rarer and more desirable to collectors. If you're interested in collecting coins like the Roosevelt dime 1980 large date with D mint mark, it's important to do your research and stay informed about current market trends. You can also consider joining a coin collecting club or attending coin shows to connect with other collectors and expand your collection. The Washington quarter dollar, a beloved coin among collectors, has a rich history and a range of values based on various factors. Today, we're looking at the 1996 edition with D mint mark, a coin that can be found in a variety of conditions, including dirty or circulated ones. In today's market, the value of the 1996 Washington quarter dollar with D mint mark in dirty condition can range from around $98,500. The exact value depends on the specific condition of the coin, as well as the current demand for it among collectors. Several factors can affect the value of this coin. Even in dirty condition, rarity is one of the most significant factors. Coins with lower mintages, or those that are harder to find, are generally more valuable to collectors. The condition of the coin also plays a crucial role. Even in dirty condition, coins with less wear and tear or damage may fetch a higher price. Collectors often look for coins that retain more of their original detail and luster. When explaining the value of the 1996 Washington quarter dollar with D-mint mark in dirty condition to viewers, it's essential to emphasize these factors. While a dirty coin may not look valuable at first glance, its worth can surprise many collectors. In conclusion, the 1996 Washington quarter dollar with D-mint mark in dirty condition holds value in today's market, with prices ranging from $100,500 depending on its condition and other factors. It's a reminder that even coins that appear worn or dirty can have value to collectors. Next, quarter dollar 2003 Maine 1820 with the D-mint mark in uncirculated condition. This beautiful coin was minted to commemorate Maine's statehood, which was granted in 1820. The coin features a lighthouse, a sailboat, and the year 1820, paying tribute to Maine's rich maritime history and its role in shaping the nation. In uncirculated condition, this coin is in pristine, untouched state, just as it left the mint. Now let's talk about its value in today's market. As with any collectible item, the value of the quarter dollar 2003 Maine 1820 with the D-mint mark can vary based on several factors. These include its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. In today's market, an uncirculated quarter dollar 2003 Maine 1820 with the D-mint mark can fetch anywhere from $300,800 depending on its specific characteristics and the current demand. For collectors, this coin holds both historical and sentimental value, making it a prized piece in any collection. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, the quarter dollar 2003 Maine 1820 is a fascinating piece of American history to own. Next up, Roosevelt dimes, specifically focusing on the 1995 issue with the Denver mint mark. This little beauty right here is the Roosevelt dime from 1995, minted in Denver, hence the D-mint mark. Now, you might be wondering what's so special about this coin. Well, the Roosevelt dime series is one of the longest-running coin series in the United States. First minted in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt, the 1995 D dime is particularly interesting because it has a lower mintage compared to other years, making it somewhat rarer. In terms of condition, this coin is in extra fine condition, which means it has minimal wear and retains most of its original luster. This is crucial when determining its value. So how much is this Roosevelt dime worth in today's market? Well, it depends on a few factors such as its condition, rarity, and current demand. In extra fine condition like this one, the 1995 with D Roosevelt dime can be valued at around $67,900, but if it's in uncirculated condition, it could be worth even more. It's always a good idea to consult with a professional coin appraiser or check online resources to get an accurate value for your specific coin. Factors like mint mark condition and even small errors can greatly affect the value. Now, let's talk about how we can explain the value of this coin to others. When showcasing this coin to fellow collectors or potential buyers, be sure to highlight its rarity, condition, and historical significance. Sharing interesting facts about the Roosevelt dime series and its design can also make your presentation more engaging. In conclusion, the Roosevelt dime 1995 with D-mint mark is a fascinating coin with a unique history and value. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is definitely one to add to your collection. Up the Washington quarter dollar from 1995 with the D-mint mark, specifically focusing on its value in today's market. The Washington quarter dollar, minted in 1995, is a coin that holds historical significance and is sought after by collectors. This particular coin with the D-mint mark signifies that it was minted in Denver, Colorado. Now let's talk about the condition of this coin. It is graded as fine, which means it has moderate wear but still retains most of its original detail. This is important when determining its value. In today's market, the value of the Washington quarter dollar from 1995 with the D-mint mark in fine condition can vary. However, as of 2024, it is valued at around $87,350. Several factors can affect the value of this coin, including its rarity, historical significance, and overall condition. Coins that are well preserved and have a lower mintage tend to be more valuable to collectors. If you're interested in collecting coins like the Washington quarter dollar from 1995, it's essential to research and educate yourself on the market websites. Coin shops and coin shows are great resources for learning about the value of your coins. Next up, the quarter dollar 2001 Kentucky 1792 with D-mint mark in extra fine condition. Let's dive in and discover its value in today's market. The quarter dollar 2001 Kentucky 1792 with D mint mark is part of the Statehood Quarters program, which commemorated each of the 50 states with unique designs on the reverse of the coin. Kentucky, the 15th state to join the Union, is honored on this particular coin. The value of the quarter dollar 2001 Kentucky 1792 with D mint mark in extra fine condition can vary based on several factors, including its rarity, demand, and overall condition. As of today, this coin is valued at around $400,000 in the coin collecting market. The value of this coin is influenced by its condition. Extra fine condition indicates that the coin has minimal wear, with most of the original mint luster still present. Coins in this condition are highly sought after by collectors, contributing to their value. In conclusion, the quarter dollar 2001 Kentucky 1792 with D mint mark in extra fine condition is a valuable addition to any coin collection. Its historical significance, combined with its condition, makes it a prized possession for collectors. If you have this coin in your collection, take good care of it, as its value may continue to increase over time. Next up, the value of a classic piece. The Washington quarter dollar 1991 with P mint mark, graded in very fine condition. This coin, struck at the Philadelphia Mint, features the iconic portrait of George Washington on the obverse and an eagle on the reverse. In very fine condition, it shows moderate wear but still retains sharp details. Now let's talk about its value in today's market. The Washington quarter dollar 1991 with P mint mark in very fine condition typically sells for around $89,500 in the current market. However, prices can vary based on factors like demand, condition, and overall rarity. To explain this to someone unfamiliar with coin collecting, you can use a simple analogy. Think of this coin as a vintage car. Just like a car's value can depend on its mileage, condition, and model year, a coin's value can fluctuate based on its rarity, condition, and demand among collectors. Factors like mint mark condition and historical significance can all play a role in determining a coin's value. So if you're looking to add this coin to your collection or sell it, it's essential to consider these factors. And there you have it, folks. The Washington quarter dollar 1991 with P mint mark in very fine condition is a valuable piece of history that continues to fascinate collectors around the world. Next up, the quarter dollar 2005 Minnesota with the P mint mark in fine condition. Now you might be wondering, why is this coin special? Well, let me tell you, this specific quarter was minted in 2005 to commemorate the state of Minnesota's admission to the Union in 1858, and what makes it even more unique is the P mint mark indicating it was minted in Philadelphia. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty, its value in today's market. To determine its worth, we need to consider a few factors. Firstly, we need to assess its condition. This coin is graded as fine, meaning it shows moderate wear but still retains most of its original details. In fine condition, this quarter dollar 2005 Minnesota with the P mint mark can fetch anywhere from $200,500 in today's market. Not bad for a quarter, right? But remember, the value of coins can fluctuate based on various factors such as demand, rarity, and market conditions. So if you're lucky enough to have one of these gems in your collection, hold onto it tight. Who knows, its value might just increase over time. Next up, the 1985 edition with a large date and D mint mark. This coin, often overlooked, has some fascinating aspects to explore, including its current value in today's market. The Roosevelt 1 dime, a beloved coin among collectors, was first minted in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The 1985 edition is particularly intriguing due to its large date and the D mint mark, indicating it was minted in Denver. These factors can influence its value and desirability among collectors. In very fine condition, the 1985 Roosevelt 1 dime with a large date and a D mint mark holds a significant value. While prices can vary based on factors like condition, rarity, and collector demand, you can expect this coin to be worth around $200,500 in today's market. Several factors can influence the value of this coin. First, its condition plays a crucial role. Coins in better condition tend to fetch higher prices. Additionally, the mintage numbers for this specific edition can affect its rarity and thus its value. The large date and D mint mark make this coin slightly more unique compared to other editions, adding to its appeal among collectors. To determine the condition of your coin, examine it closely for any signs of wear or damage. Coins in very fine condition will have minimal wear, with most of the original detailing still visible. Look for any scratches, discoloration, or dullness that may indicate wear. In conclusion, the Roosevelt 1 dime 1985, with a large date and D mint mark, is a fascinating coin with a significant value in today's market. Its unique features and historical significance make it a valuable addition to any coin collection. If you're lucky enough to own one in very fine condition, you may have a valuable treasure in your hands. Next up, explore the value and unique features of the Lincoln 1 cent 1973 coin without mint mark, specifically focusing on its fine condition. Let's start by examining this coin up close. The Lincoln 1 cent 1973 coin without a mint mark features the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. In fine condition, you can expect some wear and tear, but the coin should still have clear details and lettering. In today's market, the value of the Lincoln 1 cent 1973 without a mint mark in fine condition can vary depending on several factors, such as the overall condition of the coin, its rarity, and the current demand among collectors. As of 2024, this coin typically ranges in value from $300,000, but keep in mind that prices can fluctuate based on market trends and collector interest. When evaluating the condition of your coin, it's important to use a coin grading scale like the one shown here. Fine condition indicates that the coin has moderate wear with some loss of detail, but still retains its overall design. If you have a Lincoln 1 cent 1973 coin without a mint mark in fine condition, it's essential to handle it with care. To preserve its value, you may consider storing it in a protective holder or case to prevent further damage. When it comes to selling or trading your coin, it's always a good idea to do your research and consult with reputable coin dealers or collectors. They can provide you with insights into the current market value and help you make informed decisions. Next up, uncover the value of a unique piece from the late 20th century, the $quarter 1999 Pennsylvania 1787 with D mint mark in dirty condition. Despite its worn appearance, this coin holds significant historical and monetary value. The $quarter 1999 Pennsylvania 1787 commemorates the founding of the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania and is part of the 50-state quarters program, which ran from 1999 to 2008. In terms of value, the dirty condition of the coin may affect its overall worth. Typically, coins in better condition fetch higher prices in the market. However, this doesn't diminish the historical significance of this particular piece. When assessing the value of a coin, we often refer to the Sheldon coin grading scale, which ranges from poor to perfect mint state. MS-70 dirty or damaged coins are usually graded lower on this scale, which can impact their value. According to the latest market trends, a $quarter 1999 Pennsylvania 1787 with D mint mark in dirty condition can still be worth around $76,000. However, this value can vary based on factors such as demand, rarity, and overall market conditions. To get a more accurate appraisal of your coin, it's best to consult with a professional coin dealer or numismatist. They can provide you with insights into the coin's condition and help you determine its current market value. In conclusion, while a $quarter 1999 Pennsylvania 1787 with D mint mark in dirty condition may not fetch a high price, its historical significance and collectible nature make it a valuable addition to any coin collection. 1968 large date coin without a mint mark. This coin, while seemingly ordinary, holds a special place in the hearts of collectors. Let's uncover its story and value in today's market. The Lincoln 1 cent 1968 large date coin was minted at the Philadelphia Mint, hence the absence of a mint mark. What sets this coin apart is its large date variety, where the numbers in the date appear larger and more prominently compared to the regular small date variety. So what's the value of this coin in today's market? In regular condition, coin betisayos punt, meaning it has been circulated and shows signs of wear, the Lincoln 1 cent 1968 large date without a mint mark is valued at around $200,500. While this might not seem like much, it's important to remember that the value of a coin isn't just in its monetary worth, but also in its historical and collector value. Several factors can affect the value of this coin, such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. A coin in better condition, such as uncirculated or mint state, can fetch a higher price. Additionally, if you find a coin with errors or varieties, such as doubled dies or repunched mint marks, its value can increase significantly. In conclusion, the Lincoln 1 cent 1968 large date without mint mark is a fascinating coin with a modest but respectable value in today's market. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a great addition to any collection. Remember, the value of a coin goes beyond its face value, so keep exploring and discovering the stories behind these tiny treasures. Next up, the Lincoln 1 cent 1969 large date without a mint mark. Specifically looking at its value in today's market, this particular coin, despite being relatively common, holds some surprises in terms of its worth. Let's explore. The Lincoln 1 cent series is a favorite among collectors, and the 1969 large date without mint mark is no exception. Minted in Philadelphia, this coin features the familiar profile of President Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. In good condition, the 1969 large date without mint mark Lincoln 1 cent typically holds a value of around $100,900. While this may not seem like much, considering its face value of 1 cent, it's important to note that these values can vary based on the coin's condition, scarcity, and demand. Despite its relatively low value, the 1969 large date without mint mark Lincoln 1 cent is still a valuable addition to any collection. Its historical significance, coupled with its availability, makes it a popular choice among collectors of all levels. In conclusion, the Lincoln 1 cent 1969 large date without mint mark may not be the most valuable coin in your collection, but it certainly has its place. Its historical significance, coupled with its availability, makes it a must-have for any coin enthusiast. Next up, the $quarter 2000 South Carolina 1788 with a P mint mark, specifically focusing on its value in today's market. This coin, minted in 2000, commemorates the state of South Carolina, one of the original 13 colonies. The front of the coin features a palmetto tree, a symbol of South Carolina's resilience and strength. The back of the coin showcases a map of the state, along with the date 1788, marking the year South Carolina ratified the United States Constitution. Now, let's talk about the value of this coin. In today's market, the value of a coin is influenced by several factors, including its condition, rarity, and historical significance. In good condition, the $quarter 2000 South Carolina 1788 with a P mint mark can be valued at around $267,500. This value may vary depending on the current market demand and the overall condition of the coin. The condition of a coin is crucial in determining its value. Good condition means that the coin has moderate wear and tear, with some of the original details still visible. Factors such as scratches, dents, and discoloration can affect the coin's overall appearance and value. If you're lucky enough to own this coin in good condition, it's important to store it properly to preserve its value. Consider investing in coin holders or albums to protect it from environmental damage. And there you have it, the $quarter 2000 South Carolina 1788 with a P mint mark in good condition. A piece of history that not only holds value in the world of coin collecting, but also tells a story of America's past.